Hello student, this is Sunan Upadhyay, your mentor. Today we will discuss some important questions of class 9th NCERT for your half yearly examination. So let's start. Here your first question. This is पदार्थ से आप क्या समझते हैं? What do you understand by matter? So this is about matter, solid, liquid and gas. So you can write about it. Your second question is विस्मांगी मिश्रण क्या है? उदाहरण देकर स्पष्ट करो. What is heterogeneous mixture? Explain by giving an example. So heterogeneous mixture is there we can saw two layer of any substance or matter. For example, sand and water and oil and water mixture. So this is the heterogeneous mixture. You can write about it. Your third question is स्थिर अनुपात का नियम क्या है? उदाहरण देकर समझाइए. What is the law of constant proportion? Explain it with example. So this is your physics question. You can write about it. Your fourth question is लाइसोसोम को आत्मघाती थैली क्यों कहते हैं? Why are lysosome called suicidal bag? So because it have digestive enzyme, it can digest itself as well, so it is called suicidal bag. Your fifth question is प्रोकैरियोटिक कोशिकाएं तथा यूकैरियोटिक कोशिकाओं में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? So as you know, prokaryotes have a false nucleus, whereas eukaryotic have a true nucleus, means it have a nuclear membrane. So you can write difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now your sixth question is ऊतक को परिभाषित कीजिए तथा इसके प्रकारों का चार्ट बनाइए. Define tissue and chart its type. So there the group of cell which have same structure and function called tissue, as you know. There you can write plant tissue and animal tissue and have so many types, so you can make a chart about it. Now your seventh question is दूरी तथा विस्थापन से क्या तात्पर्य है? इनमें क्या अंतर है? What is meant by distance and displacement? What is the difference between them? We can find a direction in displacement, whereas there is no direction in distance. So displacement is a vector and distance is a scalar. So you can write about displacement and distance. Now we are going to your next question. Your next question is त्वरण किसे कहते हैं? यह कैसी राशि है? What is acceleration? So acceleration is the rate of change in velocity of an object with respect to their time, and it is a vector because it have a direction. Now your ninth question is निम्नलिखित में से प्रत्येक को सजातीय या विजातीय मिश्रण के रूप में वर्गीकृत करें. जैसे सोडा पानी, लकड़ी, हवा, मिट्टी, सिरका, फिल्टर की हुई चाय. क्लासीफाई ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एज अ होमोजीनियस एंड हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. सोडा वाटर, वुड, एयर, सॉइल, विनेगर एंड फिल्टर टी. As you know, in heterogeneous mixture, hetero means different. So in heterogeneous mixture, you can saw more than one layer of any substance. And in homogeneous mixture, homo means same. So in homogeneous mixture, you can saw a one layer throughout. So this is how you can separate them. So you have to separate them. Now we are going to your next question. Your next question is रंध्र के क्या कार्य हैं? What are the function of stomata? And there you find the choice. And न्यूरॉन का नामांकित चित्र बनाइए. Draw a level diagram of a neuron. So stomata is play an important role in gaseous exchange of plant. and here you have to draw a level diagram of neuron, our fundamental unit of brain. Now we are going to next question. Okay, so this is your sixth question. There I explain how we can write an answer, and we can make a chart also. There is animal tissue, and here you find different plant tissue, so you can make a chart like this. Now we are going to long questions. This is your first long question. This is a numerical, so this is a numerical. There you have to find out acceleration and distance. Now we are going to your second question, second long question. योर सेकंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इज स्थायी ऊतक किसे कहते हैं, इसे वर्गीकृत की रूपरेखा दीजिए, विभिन्न प्रकार के ऊतकों का संक्षिप्त वर्णन करें, गिव एन आउटलाइन ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड परमानेंट टिश्यू, ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू. So here we write about permanent tissue and classify it in parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And in complex permanent tissue, you know, there is xylem and phloem, so you can write about as well. You can make a chart also to explain it in well manner. Your next question is किन्हीं 10 कोशिका अंगों का सचित्र वर्णन करें. Give a description of 10 cell organelles. Here you write different cell organelles, for example ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, cell membranes, nucleus, Golgi bodies, etc. and make a diagram also. Here your next question, भौतिक और रासायनिक परिवर्तन से आप क्या समझते हैं, उदाहरण सहित भौतिक और रासायनिक परिवर्तन में अंतर स्पष्ट कीजिए. What do you understand by physical and chemical change? Explain the difference between physical and chemical change with example. Here you write different physical and chemical changes with examples. So you can write. It is very easy question. Your next question is निम्नलिखित को उदाहरण देकर समझाइए, संतृप्त विलयन, शुद्ध पदार्थ, कोलाइड और निलंबन. Explain the following given example. Saturated solution, pure substance, colloid and suspensions. So you can explain them easily and given examples. These are the part of solution. So student, these were some important questions. Hope you all like it. Thank you.